Welcome back students to the last section from the chapter Wave Optics. In this module, let us compare interference and diffraction. The main differences between interference and diffraction are as follows. Interference is the result of interaction of light coming from two different wavefronts originating from the same source, whereas diffraction is the result of interaction of light coming from two different parts of the same source. Interference fringes may or may not be of the same width. But in the case of diffraction, the fringes in a particular pattern are not of the same width. In the case of interference of light, fringes are of the same intensity. Whereas in the case of diffraction, fringes are of decreasing intensity. In the case of interference, the points of minimum intensity are perfectly dark, and hence the contrast between the fringes is good. Whereas in the case of diffraction, the points of minimum intensity are perfectly dark, but intensity of bright fringes decreases. Hence, comparatively less contrast among the fringes. This is the pattern formed in the case of interference and diffraction. You can see the waves interfere from two different sources S1 and S2 in the case of interference, whereas waves interfere from the same source in the case of diffraction. That is, different parts of the same wavefront. The representation of intensity graph is as follows for interference and diffraction respectively. In the case of interference pattern, the central bright fringe and other fringes are of equal intensity. Whereas in the case of diffraction pattern, the central fringe is more intense compared to the other secondary maxima, and intensity goes on decreasing as we move away from the central maxima. These are the interference fringes and diffraction fringes that we obtain on a screen. Light added to light can produce darkness. Now let us discuss about this statement. This phenomenon is referred for destructive interference. That is, when light waves of opposite phases and equal amplitudes meet at a point, they cancel each other and hence produce darkness. That is the meaning of the statement. Light added to light can produce darkness. Hope you have got an idea about interference, diffraction, Young's double slit experiment, and also the differences between interference and diffraction patterns. Thank you, dear students.